Hey there, it's Brittany, and I am back with an unboxing. My JJB Winter Workshop kit came in the mail today. I am not teaching for this one, but I am going to be attending the classes. I'm super excited. So here are all the things that are included in this kit, and I'll show you each thing individually. So let's see. Here's the event schedule. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 11 classes. 10 classes, and then 3 holiday baking and bead making parties. So we have like a make together party here, a make together party here, and a make together party there on top of on top of 10 classes. And these are all replayable once you've purchased your kit. I'll leave an affiliate link if you're thinking about joining. It's going to be worth it. Yeah, you get a lot of cool stuff. And then you get merit badges if you finish the classes. So there's some FAQ in here. Again, all the info will be on their website. Let me just show you all the stuff in this kit. First of all, you get this huge canvas bag, which is so cool. I'm gonna kind of show it to you here. Huge. I mean, it's enormous. It's the biggest bag we've gotten from them. And it's made just for the Winter Workshop 2022. And let's see what's in this big mama. All right, so the first thing that I noticed, which is so amazing, is we get a loom. I have been looking at some loom projects, and I'm almost, I think, obviously now I have one. It's the Catalyst. I've been wanting to do some because I saw a really cute like Baby Yoda bracelet, and I was like, I could do that. I know it's technically like bead weaving, but it's looming, so it's a little different. And I think that looked really cool, so I might try, if I can find that pattern, try and do that. But these are by Juliana Avalar, and she made specific ones, or custom ones just for the workshop. I'm so excited to try that out. We've got some Wildfire in red, which I didn't have. It's so cool. We got some 24 gauge German style beading wire in gold. We've got a little check duos kit. So there's super duos in here. I'm not going to open this up because I don't want to lose them. Super duos in here. We've got I don't know what shape that's supposed to be. Looks like an apostrophe, but I can't, maybe a paisley shape. And then I don't know what this shape is, but I'm excited to see what we'll be doing with that. We've got a carry a bead, which, look at this cute little Santa. So Carry a Bead is a company, or it's like a charity that sends beads to children who have procedures. And as you can see, this little baby here has tons and tons of beads. So every procedure they have, surgery, visit, things like chemo, things like that, they get a bead, and that's why it's called Beads of Courage. So you carry one around, do your cool thing, and then send one back to them, and tell them the story. I love those. Then we have a findings kit. This is resealable, so I'm gonna show you what's in it. Loving these like resealable little baggies they've been using. So we've got some cool ear wires. Love those. We've got a nice toggle, a really nice lobster, magnetic clasp, and then a bunch of ear wires, and then 2, these are kind of bendy, but they're good enough gauge that we can straighten them out, 2 ball head pins. So the really cool thing about all of these workshops from Jesse James Beads is they give you the tools to make it exactly like the instructor makes it, but you don't have to. You can customize themselves, and that's like my favorite part, is when I teach a class and somebody customizes the class I taught. I'm like, oh, that's cool. I didn't think of it doing it that way. I like that way better. So anyway, there is our findings kit. We've got some silver silk from Nilay Patel. Here's silver silk online. And this one looks like it's hollow and it's copper. Or maybe it's brass. I can't really tell if that's copper or brass. I don't want to open it because I don't want to lose like the packaging. It's packaged so nice. We've got some needles. We've got, I think this is not fairy silk, but sari silk, or at least some kind of fabric. I think we'll be using this with the loom for Juliana's class. We have some wire guards, some more Beadalon German style wire in silver, an 18 gauge. Then this is obviously well, I don't know if it's one class, but I think it is one class. I'm gonna take everyone out, but I'm not gonna like open up each pack. I love how these are packaged. I love these. I'm gonna have to buy some of these because I use the plastic little baggies, and that's great for most things, but like when I have really nice beads and I want to still put them in a baggie, I would love to use one of these. So we've got some crystal clear, we've got silver and clear, we've got like a milky white. These are table cut. Those are gorgeous red. Some little crystal bicones. Gosh, there's so many in here. Ooh, these are cool. I don't even know what to call that shape. Very neat. And then some rondelles, and then we have Shambhala bead, although my Shambhala bead had some extra Christmas cookies. He's a little bigger. He's a little bigger than normal, but that's okay. And we've got 2 disco beads, some rondelles, and some crystal rondelle spacers. That's a cool kit. I wonder what class that's for. I love that, and I love the way it's packaged. Like sometimes it matters. Like it makes me feel happy that they took the extra time to package it that way. And I know I'm not going to throw those out. I'll be using those for a long time. Then this one is called 1950s Ornament Mix. Those are so pretty. We've got these are acrylic, and then we've got I just call this, I feel like this is like a holiday like Rudolph mix. That's what I think of, with the pink and the turquoise and the red. I love that color combo. We've got figgy pudding. Again, this one is one of those resealable baggies too. A lot of crystals in here. We've got a lot of metal. Actually, it looks like it's all crystals and metal. That's awesome. Cool color palette. We've got, goodness, we've got the Gardens of, I don't know how to say that, Oxaptepic, 1440. I have no idea what that means. Beautiful strand. We've got some stone here, crystal there. Ooh, tiger eye, English cut right there. Beautiful mosaic bead. I love that. I love the chain around the side. Crystals. We've got some shell, some hishis, bead caps. That's a cute little bead cap. And then it repeats. I love that. We've got some chain reaction. It's a little bit more heavy duty. We've got Festival of Lights. Those are really pretty. I love these barrels. And then we've got like a peachy beige, a yellow, and a topaz. I love that. Very cool. The packaging's kind of cool this time. We've got some, I love Softflex crimp tubes. They're the best crimp tubes for sure. And that's like a rose gold color. We've got Tinsel Tree. That's a beautiful mix. We've got some bohos in 2 different sizes. Some little stripey, those look like elf socks. Crystals, a lot of silver metal in here. Cute little tassel. Yeah, this is a cute mix. Very cute mix. We've got Aztec Gardens tassel set. Okay, bunch of little like rosy pink tassels. We've got, Christmas Eve 2022. Those are some pretty cubes. I love that this is called All I Want for Christmas is Neon. We've got some neon pink, some neon yellow, and some pale blue. And then it's mixed metals. I think that's pretty cool. I love that blue next to that yellow. Oh, another mix. Oh my gosh, there's like so many mixes in here, and this one I can actually open up. Okay, so in here we have some buttons. Oh my gosh, those are so cute. Little gingerbreads. Oh, we've got a little topsy-turvy tree. It almost looks like it's like a Whoville tree. That's cool. You can even paint that too to make it even more funky looking. We've got some little presents. So cute. I can't wait to see what we're supposed to do with this kit. Oh, reindeer. Adorable. Look at the little eyeball. So cute. Wow, look at these. These are check glass. Those are huge. Those are like 14 millimeter. I love those. Some larger crystals. Oops, some printed beads. We got a snowflake and a Christmas tree. Christmas tree is green. We've got some crystal rondelles in bright green. We've got some little tiny thread tassels. We've got some bead caps in silver. Ooh, a tree charm, adorable. Oh, we've got little tiny buttons. Look, and they're different little snowflakes. Oh my gosh, a little tiny tree. Look how little it is. Oh my gosh. And there's a teeny tiny rhinestone. I don't know if my camera's picking that up. There's a teeny tiny rhinestone at the top. We've got a couple of those. And another Christmas tree over here. And some sheriff stars, some tiny sheriff stars. And then we've got some larger silver sheriff stars. And then a green rondelle. That was a cool mix. Oh, and then there is going to be a class by Sculpey. So we've got 2 greens, I think. I'm excited for that. We've got jade and what, pistachio? Yep. Love it. We've got a wooden button, which is really cool. It's huge. Might end up painting that. I always see like the bare wood of these things and I always want to paint them. Oh, this is for Deb's class. This one's called Rockefeller Center. I love these. I love this whole kit. Oh my gosh, that peach is so wonderful, or tangerine, whatever color that is. Ooh, look at these metal beads. Oh, I can't wait. Deb's necklace was really pretty. We've got a huge boho. Very pretty. And Tierra Cast stuff. I'm so excited. I love Tierra Cast, one of my favorite companies. I just never have enough of their stuff. I don't think you could have enough of their stuff. A beautiful toggle. I think I used this on a Sam's beadbox bracelet one time. I love that toggle. Some wonderful cord ends. And then look at these little gingerbread men. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We get a really nice pair of ear wires. Antique bronze. And then we have these little gingerbread men. I don't know why I'm obsessed with gingerbread men, but they're so cute and they're double-sided. This is a wonderful color too, this antique copper. And then these are neat. I don't know if they're meant to go like that or like that, but I can't wait to see what we're supposed to do with them. I'm already getting, like, that's the other thing. I'm already getting ideas of how I want to use them, and I can't wait to see how we're supposed to use them. And just a reminder, all of these classes are going to be in a private Facebook group, so you cannot access them unless you purchase this kit. Some of JJB's classes are open to the public, but not their workshops. We've got some seed beads, 2 different colors. We've got some 24 gauge wire from Soflex and silver. Gosh, we're still going strong here. We've got 4 different seed bead, 3 seed beads and a bugle bead. These are going to be bead woven into a beautiful earring by Meredith Roddy. I am going to be excited to see how it goes. I don't know that I can do it, but we'll see. We'll see. It might be the one pair of earrings that I ever make that are woven. Some more chain reaction. gold and bronze or brown crystals. I think there were 2 of those in here. Yep. Gosh, I'm still going strong. There's still several things in here. We've got 2 rhinestones. We've got some silver tinsel. Some, I don't know what this is. I don't know, maybe wax linen or hemp. I'm not sure. We've got, oh, some white quartz soft flex beading wire. We've got more soft flex beading wire. Red jasper color. This is really nice. It's like a nice terracotta. Oh my gosh, I love it. I don't think I had that color. We've got a beautiful filigree. And 2 more things. We've got a little magnetic clasp and another wire from Softflex 18 gauge. Oh my gosh, just the amount of stuff that was in this. Look at this. Look at this pile. It's huge. Look at this pile. Oh my gosh. So if you're thinking, is it worth it? Yes. Just the stuff you get, but then you get 10 classes on top of it, and exclusive access to classes with the designers and make-alongs. So that's exciting. Let me know what you think. What was your favorite thing? If you're signed up, let me know too. I'm super excited to hang out with you during it. And if you're interested in signing up, there is the affiliate link in my description of this video. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. I hope you have a good day. Bye-bye. Hi, are you pouting because I wouldn't pet you anymore? Yeah. You're pouting up there, huh? Hi, Goldie. Yeah, you're a good girl. He's excited when you wag your tail. Can you wag your tail? A little bit. Hi, Goldie. Yeah, that's a good girl.